Hey guys, welcome to Pace Reps down in Fairburn, Georgia. My name is Chef Dan Metka, and today I'm going to be making some shrimp scampi. Okay guys, we're actually going to start prepping for our shrimp scampi. And we're going to be doing some garlic and some shallots. We're going to chop some parsley and get some lemons, and that'll be our base of our sauce for our shrimp scampi. Now we're going to move over to the Rational iVario, which is our brand new tilting skillet. This is our XS, this is our smallest. Total is 4.5 gallons. Then the next size up would be 2 vats also, and that's 6.5 gallons. And then we also have a 26 gallon, which would be like your traditional tilting skillet, and then a 40 gallon also. And what's really cool is they all still have the iKitchen intelligence. These actually can speak together, and we can actually see them through our iCooking capabilities. Let's go ahead and get the scampi started. Look how fast that sautés. So now I'm going to go ahead and put our shrimp in. We're going to start to deglaze with our white wine. And we can actually get everything to come to the front, so it'll be a little easier to scoop it out once we get it. Oh, look at this, now it's raising up. Pasta's all cooked. Look at that awesome shrimp scampi. How good that looks. Gotta get some garlic bread. And the garlic bread we cooked in the combi. Look how awesome that came out. And we need some Parmesan. Look at that. Beautiful. Just wanted to thank you guys for coming out to Pace Reps for a Shrimp Scampi Day. I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you again soon. I hope you come out of here again sometime soon.